How to recover deleted data from Canva. If you'd like to recover deleted data, depends upon what you want to recover it. First of all, if you had deleted a design or an image or whatever else, within 30 days they are moved within your trash, so you can restore them from your trash. For that, you can go to canva.com, click on the three lines icon from the top left, and from the bottom go to this trash icon that says trash itself. So here you can select design, images or videos, whatever else it is you want to restore. Click the three dots and then select restore. Now if it was a really important design or an image that you even deleted from the trash themselves, especially in the case of design, if it is really important and you delete it from trash, the way we can restore it is Canva says that you'll have 14 days. So it says contact support within 14 days if you need to restore any designs, images or videos that have been also deleted from trash. After this period, they'll be permanently deleted and can't be recovered. So you need to do this as soon as possible. You have to go contact Canva support team and then let them know about the important design that you'd like to recover. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.